is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my...
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as you guys can tell, I will be doing a clean with me and a deep clean of our fridge. As you guys saw, it definitely needed to be tackled and I will be sharing that with you guys. If you are needing some cleaning inspiration or organizing and decluttering inspo, be sure to stay tuned until the end. The fridge definitely needed a huge deep clean, so I was so happy I tackled that finally. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy and be sure to leave a big thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoy these types of videos. And with all of that being said, let's get started.
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will follow you.
So I am just tackling the dining area really quickly. Since it was the least messiest, and I decided to go ahead and kind of clean the chairs since I hadn't really wiped them down in a while, and my boys tend to put their dirty hands on them and just they had little stains here and there. So I'm just cleaning them with this Everspring cleaner from Target, and it is the lavender scent and it's one of my favorites from Target.
Put your lips against mine, boy. 'Cause I have lost a little bit of faith. I got lost in the darkness.
Alright you guys, so now I am just tidying up the counters and wiping them down. And I really didn't tidy too much after breakfast, so everything just seemed to pile up in the sink. As you guys can tell, it was full of dishes. I also will be deep cleaning the microwave since I hadn't done that in a while. You guys will see a before and after.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright.
You guys, so this is the before shot of how my fridge looked like. So I am doing this in sections. I decided to clean this area first, and you know, since I actually had the boys here with me, this was on a weekend and everyone was home, so I knew I was probably gonna get interrupted, and I didn't want to take everything out all at once, so I just focused on this section. And I'm just wiping everything down with the same Ever Spring cleaner. I was actually inspired by Yasmin X3. She also has a YouTube channel, and I follow her over on Instagram. I will have her handle and her link down below in my description box. She shared on her Instagram her fridge fully organized and cleaned, and it just motivated me to tackle my fridge on this day. I just wanted to give her a shout out, so check her out and go and follow her, you guys.
You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
So I already had a couple of clear containers that I was using to organize some of the items here, and I just find that this is so much helpful, and it just keeps the fridge a lot more neat and organized. Now that I'm done with that section, I wanted to go ahead and tackle most of these dishes, because I wanted to go ahead and wash some of the bins in the fridge and things that can be washed, hand washed. I wanted to hand wash those, and I needed to make some room for those.
Getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get quiet walls with big windows up on the third floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get up at your place, wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
Until something better came along.
Alright you guys, so I wanted to show you guys a before shot again of how my fridge was before I decluttered and deep cleaned it. And you guys, it is 100 times better. I always am amazed by how much cleaner and organized my fridge is after it's been a while, as long as it had been. I definitely had to get groceries. As you guys can see, I only had 3 eggs, and I decided to use this little container I had that was around the fridge, and I kind of reorganized some things here and there. It's just so much more neat and put together. So I am so happy I was able to get this done, even though it took me pretty much all afternoon in between all of the pauses I had to take to attend my boys. Because if you are new here, I do have twin 4-year-old boys and a 7-month-old baby boy. So there were definitely a lot of breaks. I did want to share that because I know it may seem like this was a breeze to get done, but it was a struggle for sure. So if you are a mom as well, I hope this encourages you to be proud of whatever you accomplish today, because it definitely is enough.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt.
Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for today's Clean With Me. If you made it this far into my video, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you, and I hope this inspired you in some way, whether it's to clean along with me, declutter and clean an area in your home, or be proud of what you did today. Whatever it is, just know that you're doing an amazing job. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you be a part of my family, and also leave me a sunshine emoji to let me know that you made it this far into my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.